Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Instagram messages. Not everyone wants to delete an IG message because they sent something embarrassing to their boss or something. Whatever the reason for doing some housekeeping on the gram, this cleaning is far easier than washing a sink of dishes or mopping your floors. You can delete an Instagram DM in just 5 steps. Here's how to delete. On your phone, open the Instagram app. Click on the Instagram direct message icon in the top right corner of the screen to open your chats. Then, tap on the chat containing the message you want to delete. Now, hold down on the message. A horizontal menu will pop up at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap the unsend option to remove this individual message from the chat. The Instagram users in this chat may have already seen the message. If they haven't, you're in luck because they never will. The moral of this story is to think twice before you DM and make sure you don't accidentally select multiple or incorrect recipient for your message. If you fall into the camp of people if you're desperately trying to delete some messages, chances are you have some last-minute questions. You want to ensure you're covering all your bases, which is smart. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.